Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use the Nfsiostat command when troubleshooting the file share performance issues. Nfsiostat is a tool in Linux that is used to gather data around the mounted file systems. This can be used to determine if there is an issue with the file system or if the file system is not performing to the minimum standards Boomi requires. For additional documentation on how to use the Nfsiostat command, you can read the man pages by entering man nfsiostat from your Linux prompt. I'll demonstrate. Here you can see the full System Manager's manual, and pressing the enter there will scroll you down to the end of the document. You can see all of the different options and flags. So here we'll go ahead and quit and clear our screen. First, I'll demonstrate the Nfsiostat command without any additional parameters or options. It will return all of the metrics for all of the mount points to the Linux machine. This can be a lot of data, making it confusing to sort out. When executing this command, it is important to remember this is a point-in-time capture. Executing the command again may result in different data. Executing the Nfsiostat command standalone with no additional commands, you can see that it returns all of the mount points. Next, I'll demonstrate how to capture 3 moments in time with a 1-second interval. Notice this gives us 3 different responses for all the mount points. It's really a lot of data. So you can see that can get a little confusing, a little hard to read, trying to determine what file share the stats go to. So here I'm interested in the mount NFS var NFS share. I'm sorry, mount NFS var Boomi. So let's say you want to just focus on that Boomi file share. This can be done by specifying the mount point. It can be added to the Nfsiostat command, or it can also accept the interval. I'll demonstrate both. Here you can see that it just filtered out that one mount point. If I do it again, you can see that the data changes nominally. And again, you can see that it's changed just nominally. Now let's just say we want to capture several attempts. There you can see that it's trying it 3 different times, giving us different outputs each time. Okay. Lastly, now you want to capture this data to a file. This will allow you to share this data with the Boomi support team for analysis. And in the background, it is running that command. So now if I do an ls on that directory, I can see that I have generated a file. And if I cat that file, that's the contents of the data. You'll attach that file to your Boomi support case for our analysis. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that this video was good, and have a great day.